Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about iOS 18 Beta 2. 2 weeks in, I've been using this as my daily driver ever since Beta 2 came out. And from what I talked about in my first video when I first installed it, I really haven't had any major changes or issues or bugs to speak of. Battery life has been pretty stable. I have, however, been using the Clicks for iPhone keyboard, which has been taking a little bit of power. This thing has been sucking up about 20 to 30% of my battery in a 24-hour period, just because of the USB connection. Nothing to do with iOS, but just something I wanted to note since we are talking about battery life in the beta. But beta-wise, without the case attached, my battery life has been just fine. I haven't really noticed any issues. Nothing, nothing has improved, nothing's worsened in Beta 2 over Beta 1, or really even over iOS 17 when I was running that. So nothing notable to mention there. Best improvement, I think, here in iOS 18 Beta 2 is the fact you can now tap the top corner to dismiss Control Center like many people do. You don't accidentally hit that power button up there. You do have to kind of press and hold on that power button now to activate it. And that was quite annoying because when you do activate that, if you activated it by accident, when you did that, it would bring up the power menu, and if you hit cancel, that of course locks your phone and disables Face ID until you re-enter your passcode. So that was just kind of a pet peeve because that's how I dismiss Control Center, would be to do that. If we pop into the settings here for messages, we can see we do have the toggle for RCS messaging, and that is working. I haven't had any issues with it. It didn't work the first day, and then it did, however, start working after that. I've been able to get read receipts, send messages over a data connection, as well as send higher quality videos and pictures as well to people on Android devices also using RCS. You can see we also have the messages via satellite down here, where you can do the demo for that. It'll take you into the demo right there. I did use messages via satellite on Beta 1 for a short period of time when I was traveling, and it did not seem to have any issues. It of course was a bit slower, but everything did work as expected, and if you are in a pinch and need to send a message, messages via satellite is definitely something you would be able to use to get a message out, or even receive a message as long as you maintain that satellite connection. So Beta 2 has been pretty stable. Like I said, nothing really notable to mention. That's why I haven't made too many videos on it, because other than the features and stuff that I mentioned when we first installed it, I really haven't had anything change, and everything has been working just fine. So hopefully here in the next few days we'll be seeing Beta 3, and we'll be able to check that out and see what is new and fixed in Beta 3. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.